According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, humidifiers are commonly used indoors to relieve the physical discomforts of dry nose, throat, lips, and skin. The moisture humidifiers add to dry air also helps to alleviate common conditions brought on by winter heating, such as static electricity, peeling wallpaper, and cracks in paint and furniture. The agency does warn that excess moisture in the air can encourage the growth of biological organisms in the home. These organisms include dust mites, which are microscopic animals that produce materials causing allergic reactions, and mold. EPA also states that microorganisms often grow in humidifiers which are equipped with tanks containing standing water. Breathing mist containing these pollutants has been implicated as causing a certain type of inflammation of the lungs. To inform the public of these risks, the Consumer Product Safety Commission released a safety alert about how dirty humidifiers may cause health problems. In it, CPSC reports that breathing dirty mist may cause lung problems ranging from flu-like symptoms to serious infections. Mineral exposure is also addressed in the CPSC safety alert. They report that minerals can be released in the mist and settle as fine white dust. This white dust may contain particles that are small enough to enter the lungs. To help prevent these types of exposures, EPA provides the following tips for use and care of home humidifiers. Empty the tank, wipe all surfaces dry, and refill the water in portable humidifiers daily to reduce any growth of microorganisms. Use water with low mineral content, such as distilled water, to prevent releasing minerals into the air. Clean portable humidifiers every third day to reduce the buildup of scale and microorganisms. If using a cleaning or disinfecting agent to clean the humidifier, rinse the tank thoroughly to avoid releasing chemicals into the air. These are just a few of the many things to know about humidifiers and potential indoor air quality issues. To learn more about this or other indoor air quality, environmental, health, or safety issues, please visit the website shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.